OMG Omega Malls Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Turbo Dismount. The second one, and yeah, made by Secret Exit, the great escapism. Ism. Ah. Takes so long to load. Oh yeah, and so my friend in the in-player, he uploaded 2 videos yesterday, so go check them out. They'll be in the description below. Not links, because I can't really put links, but who cares about that? Let's get to playing the game. Okay. Play. Let's watch a video. You don't have to watch it. Okay, I just finished watching the ad, so here. Lane merger, this is what the map is called. So we have Mr. Heft here. And, I don't want to hurt him anymore, so let's, Mr. Dismount. He's good. Wait, no. Okay, I'm gonna watch another video to get this bulldozer. So, wait for a little bit, okay? Oh, that ad same as the one to get the map. So, come on, yay, bulldozer. Okay, it's lagging. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Go already. Stop lagging. Just go. You see, Mr. Dismount is safe. He doesn't go too fast. So yeah. Come on, do not fail. Wait, which way are you even going? I don't know. Hey, what the heck? This guy's weak. What the heck is this guy doing? Oh my gosh! Okay, that's great. So great. Good job, I guess, Mr. Dismount. Man, this is just him. Oh, I hate my job. Literally, I hate my job so much. Wait, why don't I just quit? What am I... Why? Hey, what the heck? This is... Hey! Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh, what happened? Seriously, what happened? And I'm just gonna look at this guy. Yeah, slow motion. Let's see how it looks. Okay, now it's just going too slow. Go faster. Oh god, too fast. Okay, there. Good enough. Let's see the impact of that car hitting Mr. Dismount's bulldozer. Wait. That's a snowplow. Why is there a snowplow in the summer? You don't need a snowplow right now. Look. So okay. There is no sun, but there is no snow. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that truck go flying. Okay, let's try again. Be Mr. Ego. My personal favorite. Mr. Ego. Perfect, Mr. Ego. Now, let's take some pictures. Okay, let's take some pictures. Oh, that's nice. Stay like that for a little bit. Okay, perfect shot. Let's get a little bit closer. Hey, who turned on the who turned on the bulldozer? Hello? Let me get Mr. Ego. Just stay calm, okay? We're getting help. Who turned on the freaking bulldozer? Who did it? You did? Oh God, Mr. Ego, do not die. Oh my. Oh, you got hit. Oh no. Mr. Ego, you lost your hand. Mr. Ego, don't worry. You'll be okay. We're getting help. I think. Dave, did you call 911? What? Never mind. We don't have any help, but stay calm anyways. Oh, that's very convenient. Everything stopped. Yay, I knew how to score because this is only my second time doing it on this map. Okay, so let's see it first person. Dun, dun, dun. Mr. Ego's eyes. Oh God! Oh God! My hand. Don't worry, Mr. Ego. We're gonna get help. Dave, did you call 911? What? Never mind. But stay calm anyways. And let's see what happened outside. We don't want first person. Too fast. Good enough, I guess. Okay, that's a lot of chaos. And, yeah. But miss Dismount. Okay. Pose, okay, Miss Dismount. We're Okay, perfect shot. Okay, take another one by a different angle. Okay, wait. Who turned on the bulldozer again? Oh, this happened last week with Mr. Eagle. Oh my god. Who turns that on? Huh? Dave? Yes? You actually said something in your life, huh? Never mind. What we still... Okay. Joel, you go call 911 or something? I do not know. Wow, she's actually still perfectly fine. Oh, never mind. Oh god. Oh god. I think she like broke some bones. No worry. She's... Oh, okay, now she's about to fall on the road. That's very bad. Hang on, I guess. Joel, did you call 911? No. I told you to do it. You said wait. No, I didn't. Just call 911. And who turned it on? And you better confess or else I'm going to fire you. All. I did it. Who are you? Little Timmy. Okay, little Timmy. Does anything happen on the road? Oh my gosh! What was that? It just like took off. Okay. Well, that was cool. So cool. Bye bye map. Bye 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 bye. One more level to end the video off. Oh my gosh, not bad. Oh, cool, Cooking Fever. I don't care. Okay, big air combo. This is how we're gonna end off, guys. We're gonna end it off with a bang. Literally. Okay. Now just... I'll be Maximate. I'll be using Maximus, and I'm gonna use Mr. Heft because that's the only dude I haven't used in this video. So, sorry, Mr. Heft, again. But you're gonna have to go. Okay? Okay. We don't need this turbo pad. We're gonna use, what's very safe? Oh yeah, a minefield. Wait, why don't we just cover that one? Minefield. 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 It's that one. Minefield. This is really safe. Super safe to be exact. There's no way you're ever gonna get hurt from this. Okay. Mr. Heft, blast off to infinity and beyond. Now we're gonna go out with a bang, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.